Hello, Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have this witchy unboxing for you. It's a huge box. This is from the Witches and Moon, and this is their Sabbat box that they put out, and it's limited to, I think, 100 of them. And it's one of their more expensive boxes, because they really load it up. Some shit, make it easier. I was lucky to get one of these. I'll leave the price of it in the description below, because I can't remember offhand what it was. Alright. Ooh, it's got stuff in it, lots of stuff. Alright, so right on the top we have this bag full of goodies. So we'll start with this. And this is for Beltane. Right off the bat we have, I can't read the Boswilla. Can't read the font. It's a lot more than usually we get, too. There's a lot of incense in here. Very heavy. We got some dried oranges. We have an incense wooden holder with the moon. We have bubbled crystal here. Looks like it has pyrite on it. Got that guy. And then this one. Looks the same as the other one, but a little bigger. Rough stone. And we have a big, fat beeswax candle, and it has like sparkles on it. There you go. Baby's pretty big. So we have all those goodies. Looks like to bring back the sun. So we have all that in this bag. We have later that night, Jamie and her coworker are Canela. And the wife comes walking out to the nurse's station. Looks like it's cinnamon. Cinnamon water. And then we have this pretty box. I love when it's wrapped like a gift. And it's taped, so let's give it a little what is this? looks like a long purple amethyst, maybe, or it could be purple fluorite chip necklace, or I guess you can wrap it around a few times and make it a bracelet, or I guess maybe a necklace. And then a garnet one, so it could be a necklace or a bracelet. So you get 2 chip necklaces or bracelets. Pretty cool. And then we have this wrap item. A Condemnum of Witches Oracle. Ooh. Hello, Scarabo. This is a new one, I believe. Looks pretty cool. 60 cards Oracle. And we got this. Feels heavy. Let's try to get this together too. I love how they wrap that. Oh my god, another deck. The Witch's Garden. Now this deck's been around, I believe. I don't think this one. I think this one is a new one. 1 tarot and 1 oracle. Very nice. And then it looks like we got a statue. And it is the Celtic Sun God. Ooh, I don't have that one. That one is the Celtic Sun God. All right. Let's see. Beautiful he is. He's gorgeous. You really get to see it. He's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Perfect on that Beltane halter. It looks like we have some paper to write. Tension papers. And then we have the beautiful Beltane. Wake my friends, come out your drowsy dream. Let's step into the dairy hold and fetch a bowl of cream. If not a bowl of cream, my dear, a cup of mead to cheer. For the goddess knows we shall meet again to go Maying another year. A branch of May I brought you here, while at your heap I stand. 'Tis but a sprout all budded out, by the power of the mother's hand. My song is done, and I must be gone. No longer may I stay. May the goddess bless you all and grant the great and small, and send you a joyous May. That's what it says. Beautiful. Dancing around the fire. And this is of all the items that are in the box. Alright. It says, we are so thrilled that you are receiving our 2024 Deluxe Beltane collection limited to 100. Within this collection, you will find a variety of items that are intended to be used within your Beltane rituals, altars, and celebrations. During this special time of year, through our personal practice, we spend our time celebrating life, creation, and the fertility of new ideas. You will find the pagan lore of this balefire being lit on May Eve throughout history. Interestingly enough, the ritual fire is found celebrated at this time across many cultures. Beltane originally marked the time of the final planting of spring. During these few weeks, fertility spells and charms were created and practiced, ensuring a prosperous reaping of the harvest. A wonderful celebratory Sabbat, full of flowers and fire. Beltane has always marked the exhalation of the sun, Beltane, and the welcoming creation of the new energy and welcoming the new energy and energies and abundance. As you celebrate in your own personal way, lean into new ideas, new ventures, and new creation. The energies are aligned at this moment to bring you positive and everlasting rituals. May this Beltane bring you bright blessings and beauty to you and your family. Items in the box are as follows. A Celtic beautiful statue of Beltane, made from coal cast bronze, one of the most ancient and widely worshipped Celtic deities, strongly connected to the great Beltane fire festivals. It's beautiful. Okay. Large Beltane celebratory spell candle, hand-rolled beeswax anointed with the oils of basil and clove. That was this guy here. Okay. Then number 3 is amethyst altar garland necklace and a garnet altar garland necklace, which were in here. Okay, frankincense ritual incense sticks. Oh. And the wooden incense stick holder. 2 dried orange slices for the sun, representing growth in the upcoming harvest. And it says charprite with quartz stones times 2. I'll leave the definition of the word of the stones underneath. CHALCOP, chalcopyrite. It's got pyrite in the word, so there you go, chalcopyrite with quartz, 2 of those. Cinnamon altar cologne to be used as an anointing agent for altar items and Beltane creations, external use only. To cleanse your altar stuff. Then we have, what's everything in that bag? The Condemned Witch's Oracle by Natasha Ilnick. This beautiful box. Then the Tarot Witch's Garden by Sasha Graham and Natasha Ilnick. Oh, by the same person. That's cool. The Beltane Song Altar Work by probably A.E. Alden. He makes all these beautiful pages, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, it is. Yeah, goodness. Okay. Interpreted by the Old Song in Cornwall. Then flower-pressed blank papers, book of shadow pages for you to write in. And that is all the items that were included in the Beltane box. Mine is number 24 out of 100. Witch's Moon by G. Ibis. Let me see if I can open these and give you a little gander. I'll leave the price I paid for this box underneath. Now, the statue alone is probably $60 to $80. So right there, you're getting your monies. This here is $32. This one is $37. That's another $80. That's $140. And then the candle and the necklaces and stuff, I think we paid like $150 for it. So, or $160, something like that. So we got, this is a very detailed book. I don't think there's colored pictures in here, but it's pretty thick book. And this is what they look like. Again, this is an oracle. And I believe this is this year's. I'm going to look it up and leave that information for you as well in the description below. But that is the first one, the listener. They're very cool. And they're nice and thick cards. Shapeshifter. And there's like, I think 60 cards maybe. Very exciting. I can't believe we're Beltane already. Time goes so fast. We just had Ostara. But I can't wait to spring to be here. Planting of my garden. A lot of cards. Granite. Oh, the mandrake roots. There it is, guys. I'll leave the information down below, guys. Thanks for watching.